Go.
Hey everybody, this is Luke Miller with Beetle Jail and Swarm Trooper, co-creator of Swarm Trooper. Just wanted to make a quick video of kind of the usability and the durability of the Swarm Trooper. This particular one has been here for like 2 weeks. I just haven't had time to transfer the bees to their permanent home yet, but during that time this tree fell. And it didn't crush it, but it knocked it over. And we managed to just pick it back up and set it where it is. And I locked them up last night, so we got our little doors closed, our little entrance door right there closed. I've just got these sticks on here for, camouflage and decoration. Really, I was trying to see if they would be more attracted to a natural wood. But so what we do when we transfer them is we open this little flap up right here. It's a ventilation flap, and this allows them to not overheat during transport. So you can open this up and you can loosen this strap up. And you can just tuck this right underneath here. And that'll give them some breathing room. So then what we do is I'm just going to take this straight to the truck and transport it with these little straps. And then I'll make a follow-up vid and show how easy it is to, take the frames out and, put them in their forever hive. So we'll check back in just a few minutes.
Go.
All right, so we brought our Swarm Trooper to the new bee yard, and I just want to show you guys how easy it is to use this, and that these bees, as I said earlier, have been in here at least 3 weeks. So, it was a small swarm, so that's why they were able to stay in there that long. But I've got 5 frames in here. I expect them to be pretty full, so we're just going to go through and show you what to do and how to transfer into your normal hive. So we got the smoker going because they're kind of aggressive, and they haven't had a good couple days with that tree knocking them over. So you just undo their straps. You basically just lift off the top. And there's a lot of bees in here. So we're going to go through them and try to find the queen, just to, for peace of mind. Might want to smoke them a little bit more. So they haven't filled this frame out, so that's a good sign that they haven't built a lot of excess.
A little bit.
They haven't built a lot of excess combs, so we're going to do this as quick as possible. So yeah, remember this got knocked over and all the frames stayed in place because of our frame rests. So there's another frame. We got brood in here, so that means there's a laying queen. So that's good. Just gotta find her for our sake. And the frame rest keeps them nice and kind of separated, so you can just pull them out with your hands. Oh, there's a good pattern. Good brood pattern. Another nice brood pattern right there. So I'm pretty happy with this swarm so far. And this was a late swarm. These guys swarmed in the middle of June. The other flower pot swarm trap that's out right now, I don't really believe you could do any of this stuff that we've done with this swarm trooper today. Shit. Yeah. Yeah, this was a good swarm. Really good swarm for this late in the year. So I didn't see the queen on any of the frames. I'm not seeing her in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shake them in and just kind of leave the box here to for them to just kind of naturally find their way in there. And hopefully the queen is either already in there or she just got shooken in there.
Tap it on there.
So I'm going to leave this right next to here. I'm going to fill up some beetle gels while we're at it, just for good measure. I saw a few beetles in there. Got my little vegetable oil.
Sorry.
Close that up.
Hold it.
Yeah, just wherever. You put one on this side. That's basically it. So I'm just gonna close this up, and since there's brood and you know the majority of the bees in there, all the ones from this box they'll find their way over here. So we'll come back later and just clean up and remove the swarm trooper once they've all gotten out of it. But thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.